Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Sometimes I just need a little pick-me-up, and this little Starbucks drink is the perfect little treat to give me a little boost of energy. So this is a Starbucks espresso and cream. So this is a ready-to-drink coffee drink, and it's basically just a little bit of espresso and some cream and sugar, and it's the perfect amount to just give you a little boost and get you on with your day. So these are the perfect thing because they are so small. You can pop these into your lunch bag or keep them at work and have it whenever you need it. And let me tell you, they taste delicious. So I love to make fresh coffee at home, but when that does not happen, this is the next best solution. So they're super, super tasty, just the right amount. It's not too sweet, but it does have that little sweetness, so it feels like a treat, and just enough caffeine to get you going. So if you're looking for a really delicious little way to give yourself a boost, then I would definitely check out these delicious Starbucks espresso with cream, ready to drink coffee. I really love these, and that's my point of view.